Hey everyone! In today's video, we're talking about updating the Cgroup driver on all nodes in a Kubernetes cluster. This is crucial for aligning resource management across the cluster, especially in production environments. Imagine you're running a video streaming service with thousands of users. To keep things running smoothly, you need your nodes to manage resources efficiently. However, you realize that some nodes are using Cgroups, while others use systemd. This inconsistency is causing spikes in resource usage and impacting performance. So, let's fix that by updating the Cgroup driver on all nodes. The Cgroup driver is a key setting in Kubernetes that manages how resources like CPU and memory are allocated to containers. Consistency is critical. If different nodes use different drivers, you could experience resource allocation issues, leading to crashes or instability under heavy load. By standardizing the Cgroup driver on all nodes, you'll prevent conflicts between the kubelet and container runtime, allowing for smoother resource management. In production setups like video streaming, where high availability is essential, this setup ensures that all nodes handle resources uniformly. First, let's decide on the right Cgroup driver. For most modern setups, systemd is a good choice if your system's init system is systemd, which includes most Ubuntu or CentOS-based distributions. However, Cgroups may be preferred on systems not using systemd. For our video streaming example, let's say we're using Ubuntu, which uses systemd as the init system. So, we'll set systemd as our Cgroup driver for better alignment and reliability across all nodes. Now, let's go through the steps to update the Cgroup driver on each node in the cluster. We'll update both the container runtime, such as Docker or Containered, and the kubelet. First, SSH into each node in the cluster. Locate the Docker configuration file, typically at /etc/docker/daemon.json. Add or modify this entry, execops, native.crypt driver equals systemd. This ensures Docker is using the systemd driver. Restart Docker to apply the changes with sudo systemctl restart Docker. If you're using Containered, update the driver in /etc/containered/config.toml and restart Containered with sudo systemctl restart containerd. After updating Docker or Containered, update the kubelet driver as well. Open the kubelet config file, usually found at /var/lib/kubelet/config.yaml, and add or update the line, Cgroup driver, systemd. Save the file and restart the kubelet service to apply the changes, sudo system to restart kubelet. Repeat this process on all nodes.
Once you've updated the Cgroup driver on all nodes, it's time to verify. On each node, run command docker info, grup icgroup, or the equivalent for Containered, to confirm Docker or Containered is using systemd. Use kubectl describe node name to confirm the kubelet is also set to systemd. Ensuring that both the container runtime and kubelet are using systemd gives you consistency across the cluster, reducing unexpected behavior under load.
By standardizing on the systemd driver across all nodes, you're establishing a reliable environment. In high-demand situations, like streaming during peak hours, this setup ensures smooth resource allocation, minimizes CPU spikes, and prevents node crashes. And there you have it. Updating the Cgroup driver on all nodes is a crucial step for stable, production-grade Kubernetes clusters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Kubernetes tips.